how much should you actually spend on a luxury watch? It's tricky because some people are thrilled with budget options, while others swear by the high-end brands. The truth is, price doesn't always equal quality, especially when it comes to Rolex watches for men. Let's break down the best of the best.
Product number 1, Invicta Men's Pro Diver Quartz Watch. This Invicta Men's Pro Diver Quartz watch caught my eye with its stunning blue dial and gold accent, priced at just $64.95. If you're looking for a stylish yet affordable timepiece that mimics the elegance of high-end watches, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 43mm stainless steel case is not just about looks. It's durable and water-resistant up to 100 meters, so you can take it for a swim without worry. The Japanese quartz movement ensures precise timekeeping, and the luminous hands make it easy to read even in low light. With over 800 units sold in the last month, it's clear many are loving this watch. Now, some people complained about the weight, noting that it feels a bit heavy on the wrist. Here's the thing though, for those who prefer a more substantial watch, this added weight can actually feel reassuring and high quality. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable watch that adds a touch of luxury without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight or sleek. Now, if the Invicta's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter design. Product number 2, Classic Stainless Steel Quartz. The Quartz Men's Watch, a classic stainless steel piece, priced at $111. If you're after a timeless style that won't go out of fashion, this is definitely worth considering. This watch is powered by reliable quartz movement, which means you get accurate timekeeping without the hassle of winding. Its sleek design and adjustable strap make it super comfortable to wear. Plus, it has a calendar feature, which is ideal for keeping track of important dates. Although it has no reviews yet, it's been selling well, hinting at its appeal. However, some people might find the design a bit too simple. But here's the thing, simplicity can be a strength. It allows you to wear this watch with almost anything, from business attire to casual looks. This is perfect for you if you appreciate minimalist design and want something versatile. Skip this one if you need a watch packed with features or flashy details. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more flair.
Product number 3, Olev's Men's Chronograph. Let's talk about the Olev's Men's Stainless Steel Chronograph watch, priced at just $42.77. This piece stands out with its big face and stylish design, making it a great choice if you're looking to make a statement. The watch features a chronograph, which means it's not only telling time, but can also track elapsed time, perfect for timing your workouts or meetings. The dazzling diamond indexes add a touch of luxury, while the luminous hands ensure visibility in any lighting. It's also water-resistant up to 30 meters, making it suitable for everyday wear. With around 500 units sold recently, it seems many are impressed. Some users mentioned that the watch can feel heavy, especially if you're not used to wearing larger timepieces. Here's the thing though, that weight gives it a solid, premium feel, which many find appealing. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that's both functional and stylish. Skip this one if you prefer something more understated or lightweight. If the weight of the Olev's was a concern, the next watch offers a different style that might be just right for you.
Product number 4, Bulova Marine Star. We have the Bulova Men's Marine Star Series B, available for $259.97. This watch has a distinct maritime flair that's hard to miss, making it a great pick for anyone who loves water sports. This piece boasts a 6-hand chronograph, allowing you to measure time accurately and effectively. The 100-meter water resistance means it can handle swimming and snorkeling without a hitch. Plus, its stylish silver-toned stainless steel construction adds a touch of luxury that's perfect for both casual and formal settings. With over 300 sold recently, it's clear this watch is gaining popularity. However, some buyers noted that the mineral crystal can scratch more easily than sapphire glass. But here's the thing, the design and features still make this watch an excellent choice for anyone looking for a stylish yet functional timepiece. This is perfect for you if you enjoy active lifestyles and want a watch that can keep up. Skip this one if you're concerned about the potential for scratches or prefer a more formal style. Now, if the Bulova's style isn't your cup of tea, the next watch is something you might find more appealing.
Product number 5, Nibosi Classic Designer Watch. Check out the Nibosi Men's Analog Quartz Watch, priced at just $41.99. This watch is perfect if you want something that balances classic design with modern functionality. It features a day-date calendar display, which is practical for everyday use. The precision quartz movement ensures you're always on time, while the stainless steel case gives it a premium feel. With its 100-foot water resistance, you don't have to worry about getting caught in the rain. It's also backed by a 12-month warranty, making it a low-risk purchase. Although it has around 200 recent buyers, it's still building its reputation. Some users mention the watch can feel a bit bulky. Here's the thing. If you prefer a more substantial watch, this one provides that solid feel while offering excellent durability. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable watch that looks more expensive than it is. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra sleek or lightweight. Now, let's wrap this up and compare all these amazing options.
We've explored 5 impressive watches today. The Invicta Pro Diver offers style on a budget, while the classic stainless steel quartz provides timeless versatility. The Olev's chronograph brings flair and function. The Bulova Marine Star is perfect for active lifestyles, and the Nibosi combines classic design with modern features. Each watch has its strengths, so consider what fits your style and needs best.